presenting India's first Vedic Mathematics Lab.
Welcome to India's first Vedic Mathematics Lab. I am Professor Vikas Khatri, teaching Vedic Mathematics in Vedic Vigyan Ken, BH2. In 2021, I wrote one book on Vedic Mathematics for school children. This book sold more than 30,000 copies, and I got different feedbacks from different students and teachers. The feedback is very good, and they are saying that we need something visually so that we can catch the problems in our mind. So after so many of years of research, I discovered and created a very innovative Vedic mathematics lab. This mathematics lab is like this. We have large board, 20 large board on different topics like multiplication base wise, multiplication 3 digit, 2 digit, deviation, SCF, LCM. So total 20 boards, and all boards are magnetic. Let's see the example of multiplication of 2-digit number. If these are magnetic numbers, student write numbers like this: 13 into 21. Then using the magnetic, he will solve 3 into 1, 3. Then cross multiplication 7. Then 2 into 1, 2. Answer will be 273. So by continuous practicing these boards, after some practice, the board will be pictures in his mind, and without the use of number, without the use of magnet, he will easily solve all the problem in his mind. So these boards are for school teachers for using in school. Similarly, we have created this small kit for student for practice. This is also a visual Vedic mathematics kit. This kit is visual Vedic mathematics kit. This is same as large board, only the difference is in size. As you have seen, this is our multiplication of 2-digit number. Large board, we have this small board and a small number. This for practicing in for children in school or in home. So, and we have this book also with the kit and the different topics. Same, if you see, we have different frames and different board, same as large and small. So this is a complete Vedic mathematics lab. This is India's first Vedic mathematics lab, completely useful for teachers and student both. Thank you.